Michael.
He has too much brains.
Michael, what did you do?
Come get him from the other side. Go.
Michael, what did you do? Did you get your head stuck? Did you get your head stuck? Michael, did you get your head stuck?
He said yeah.
Maybe help him. Maybe help him.
Hey, this reminds me of my cousin. We went to Disneyland, and he did the same thing, and he got his head stuck.
Michael, is your head unstuck? I bet you're not gonna ever do that again, huh?
Watch, 2 seconds from now.
That's the first time he ever got his head stuck in something. Michael, Django. Did he scratch his cheeks?
Probably.
Django.
He's a boy. He'll survive.
Papa. Papa. Hi, Papa.
Papi.
Papi. Mwah.
Let me take a picture of the hot mama.
No.
Come on.
I'm not dressed for you to camera me.
Come on.
No, I'm in my sweats.
Come on. Come on.
No.
Give me.
Okay.
Oh, please. It's all a act. Put the boy down.
Okay. Look it.
I'm gonna look at.
Look it, he's dizzy.
Oh yeah.
Baby, this is a family video. Look it, he's dizzy. What are you doing? Get Michael, he can't get up. Look at him. Watch him fall over.
You smell that barbecue?
Somebody.
Come here, son.
Michael, Django. Where are you going? I'm gonna get the baby.
Here, let me do it again. You record him walking while he's dizzy.
Okay.
Gotcha. I gotcha. I got you, son. I got you. Okay, stand up. Come to Papa. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
I say that wasn't nothing, Papa.
Should have seen his face. Oh, it's too scared.
You have to get him upside down and turn him.
Give me 5. 5. Bam!
Papi. Hi, my love. Huh?
Yes, mommy?
Michael. Django. Chango, where are you going? Is that it? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.